Introduction. Welcome back to Bike Informers, your #1 destination for expert motorcycle insights, cutting-edge releases, and the most powerful machines in the world of two wheels. Today, we are diving into the apex predator of the racetrack, the 2026 Yamaha YZF-M1 V4. This is not your average sport bike. It's a purpose-built MotoGP prototype designed for the world's most elite riders, and in 2026, Yamaha has brought something special to the grid. With a revolutionary V4 engine configuration, a host of aerodynamic upgrades, next-gen electronics, and aggressive chassis evolution, the M1 is no longer the underdog. Yamaha is back with a machine that's hungry for podiums and ready to challenge Ducati's recent dominance. Let's break it all down. A new era begins. V4 engine architecture arrives. After decades of running the beloved inline-4 engine, Yamaha has made one of its boldest decisions in MotoGP history, transitioning the YZF-M1 to a V4 engine layout in 2026. This move, driven by both performance limitations and competitive trends, finally puts Yamaha in direct architectural alignment with Ducati, KTM, Aprilia, and Honda. The new V4 powerplant is an engineering masterpiece designed from the ground up to deliver explosive acceleration, enhanced traction, and superior corner exit speed. Early reports suggest that the V4 is delivering over 300 horsepower at peak RPMs while maintaining Yamaha's signature rideability and smooth throttle response. Thanks to the tighter, more compact engine layout, the M1 now benefits from better centralization of mass, improving both agility and handling. Aerodynamics. Winged fury with functional downforce. The 2026 M1 doesn't just go fast, it cuts through the air like a fighter jet. Yamaha has embraced a more aggressive aerodynamic philosophy, and the new M1 is adorned with refined winglets, flow stabilizers, and vortex generators. These aren't just for show. The front fairing features large, multi-element wing structures that provide increased downforce during acceleration and cornering. The tail section now has integrated air chutes that improve airflow and reduce turbulence behind the rider. Even the underbelly of the fairing has been reshaped for optimized ground effect, a strategy previously pioneered by Ducati. Yamaha's aerodynamic evolution allows riders like Fabio Quartararo and Alex Rins to keep the front wheel down under hard acceleration while maintaining higher corner speeds and mid-corner stability, a trait the M1 was previously lacking compared to its V4 rivals. Chassis and handling. Precision meets flexibility. The all-new twin-spar aluminum chassis has undergone significant evolution to suit the characteristics of the V4 engine. Engineers have tuned the rigidity balance to provide a perfect harmony between corner entry feel and mid-corner agility. The 2026 chassis is slightly stiffer in the vertical plane for improved braking stability, yet retains lateral flexibility to maintain Yamaha's reputation for precise turning. The swing arm has also been revised for better grip under hard acceleration. Lighter and stronger, it works in sync with a retuned rear shock linkage system that helps deliver consistent traction, especially out of slower corners. Yamaha's famous ease of turning is still present, but now with added stability, improved feel on the limit, and greater consistency over race distance. Riders report that the 2026 M1 feels more planted in all phases of the corner, a crucial step forward. Electronics suite, smarter than ever. Modern MotoGP machines are not just raw mechanical beasts, they're digital racehorses filled with some of the most advanced electronic control systems in motorsports. The 2026 M1 is no exception. With a revamped Magneti Marelli ECU and bespoke Yamaha software, the bike now offers unprecedented levels of rider assistance. Traction control, wheelie control, launch control, engine braking strategies, and ride-by-wire throttle mapping have all been fine-tuned to suit the new engine and chassis characteristics. Yamaha's engineers have worked hand-in-hand with their riders to provide seamless integration, giving the pilot confidence without numbing feedback. In addition, Yamaha has adopted AI-assisted data logging, where adaptive algorithms analyze tire wear, fuel usage, and corner behavior in real time, allowing riders and pit crews to make smarter decisions during the race weekend. Braking system. Bigger, stronger, cooler. Braking is everything in MotoGP, and Yamaha hasn't cut corners in this department. The 2026 YZF-M1 V4 is equipped with larger Brembo carbon disc brakes, now 355mm in standard configuration for hotter tracks and increased braking force. A revised cooling duct system keeps the carbon discs at optimal temperature, preventing fade even under extreme pressure. Rear brake control has also been remapped to help riders use the rear wheel more aggressively without upsetting balance or traction. Combined with the bike's aerodynamic downforce and stable chassis, this upgraded braking system allows later, harder, and more controlled entries into every corner on the circuit. Suspension setup MotoGP-grade precision. Partnering once again with Öhlins, the M1's suspension system has been upgraded for 2026. New front fork internals allow for quicker compression response, reducing dive under heavy braking while enhancing initial turning grip. The rear shock features a new damping circuit that works better with Michelin's latest rear tire compound. Yamaha has also focused on quick setup adaptability. Riders can now make fine-tune adjustments between sessions with faster telemetry input, thanks to Yamaha's updated onboard sensors. This makes the M1 incredibly customizable to different riding styles and track conditions, one of the secrets to maximizing performance throughout a grueling 21-race calendar. Rider feedback: a machine built for champions. 2026 sees former champion Fabio Quartararo and seasoned contender Alex Rins at the helm of the V4 powered M1, and both riders have been vocal about the positive strides Yamaha has made. Quartararo has described the new machine as more complete, more powerful, and more stable, while Rins has praised the front-end feel and race consistency. Although still in early rounds of development and real-world competition, the M1 has already shown glimpses of its potential. Podiums have returned, and Yamaha's lap times are closer than ever to the front runners, a clear indication that the M1 is not just back, it's fighting again. Design and visual identity: sleek, compact, ready to strike. Visually, the 2026 YZF-M1 V4 looks more compact, lower, and more aggressive. With its sculpted fairing, extended air intake ducts, and new matte blue and carbon fiber color scheme, it looks like a mix between a stealth fighter and a coiled viper. Yamaha has embraced a minimalist design with maximum aerodynamic functionality. Carbon is everywhere, from the tail to the mudguard, emphasizing the weight-saving mission. Every bolt, panel, and contour on this bike has a purpose: to win races. The battle for supremacy: Yamaha's V4 gamble pays off. MotoGP is a ruthless battleground, and after years of struggling against V4-powered rivals, Yamaha's decision to embrace the V4 configuration is already proving to be the right call. With improved top speed, stronger corner exit, better adaptability, and race-winning DNA, the 2026 M1 V4 is Yamaha's boldest move in over a decade. It's not just about catching up anymore, Yamaha wants to dominate again. And with the new V4, they just might. Conclusion: the dawn of a new blue era. The 2026 Yamaha YZF-M1 V4 is more than just a race bike, it's a symbol of evolution. A machine born from years of experience, reinvention, and relentless engineering. Yamaha has taken everything it's learned from past seasons and forged a bike worthy of its legacy. Here at Bike Informers, we believe the M1 V4 has what it takes to change the course of Yamaha's racing future. Stay tuned for more updates, mid-season insights, and behind-the-scenes analysis from the paddock. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Informers for the latest in high-performance motorcycle news.